Did you know there's a natural way to supercharge your immune system and fight off illness? It's called LDM-100, and it might just change your health game forever. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, fight infections, or support overall wellness, LDM-100 is a herbal powerhouse. It's been trusted for decades. Stick around, I'll show you why this is the supplement you need to know about. LDM-100 is a liquid herbal extract made from Lomaceum, plant celebrated for its antiviral, antibacterial, and immune supportive properties. Why is it powerful? It's known for supporting the body during cold and flu season, helping to clear up respiratory issues and giving your immune system that extra edge to stay strong. Packed with natural compounds, Lomaceum has been studied for its ability to assist the body in fighting off infections. Plus, it's easy to take just a few drops under your tongue or in water. Want to learn how to use LDM-100 safely and effectively? Click the link below in the description for my full video where I break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay healthy, my friends.